Next is right, laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. Laws of exponents. LAWS. Laws of exponents. EXPONENTS. Okay, you studied this already. I just number one, you know that a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n, right? A raised to m into a raised to n is m plus n. Example, x raised to 5 into x raised to 10. How much? X raised to 15. Like that. Just add, not 50. X raised to 5 plus 10. Okay. Or y raised to 3 into y raised to 4 equal to y raised to 7. Okay. Write the example. Okay. Second one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that is a raised to m minus n. Okay. Example, x raised to 10 divided by x square equal to x raised to 8. 10 minus to 8. Okay, right first. Then next one. A raised to m all raised to n, that is a raised to mn, m into n. Just multiply mn. Example, x raised to 4 into 3, all raised to 3, that means x raised to 12, 4 into 3. Okay. Then next one, a by b raised to n, that is a raised to n divided by b raised to n. Example, x cube by y square all raised to 4. That means x raised to 3 into 4, 12, y raised to 2 into 4, 8. Okay. Next one, a raised to minus n equal to 1 by a raised to n. A raised to minus n equal to 1 by a raised to n. Example, x raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by x cube. Or under 1 by x square, we can write what? X raised to minus 2. Reverse order also we can write. Next. AB, I think we did AB raised to n means a raised to n into b raised to n. For example, x square y cube all square, that is x raised to 4, 2 into 2, 4, y raised to 6, like this. Okay, then a raised to 0, it is 1. A raised to 0 equal to 1, or x raised to 0 also 1. P raised to 0 also 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. Now last one, nth root of a. Look, n inside, not outside. Here, nth root of a equal to a raised to 1 by n. Nth root of a is a raised to 1 by n. Example, cube root of x, that is x raised to 1 by 3. Okay, that's why we're getting, look, cube root of 8. We got 8 raised to 1 by 3. But 8 we can write 2 cube, all raised to 1 by 3. Then we got 2. Okay, we will discuss that later. Okay, these are the laws of exponents. Are you okay? I'll read again. Check your book. Check your book. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m divided by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. A raised to m all raised to n a raised to mn. A raised to minus n 1 by a raised to n. AB raised to n is a raised to n b raised to n. A by b whole raised to n is a raised to n, b raised to n. Then a raised to 0 is 1. Last one, nth root of a equal to 1 by a into 1 by a into a raised to 1 by n. Okay, are you okay? This all? Okay, once again, listen here. Are you this one is studied in last year or last year studied or not? Last year studied or not? Okay, so revision only. Okay, look at here. I'll tell you again. First, I'll explain because today's short question based on this only. Look. Number 1, a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. That is, suppose example x raised to 10 into x raised to 3. We can write what? X raised to 13. 10 plus 3, 13. Or p raised to 8 into p raised to 3 equal to what? P raised to 11. Okay. We can extend also x raised to 3 into x raised to 10. What is that? X raised to 15. Like that. Okay. We can extend also. Okay. Then first one is finished now. Second one is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. That is a raised to m minus n. Example, x raised to 10 divided by x raised to 3. We get what? X raised to 10 minus 3 equal to x raised to 7. If it is like this, x raised to 3 divided by x raised to 10. Still we can find out x raised to 3 minus 10. That is what? X raised to minus 7. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. And 3 minus 10 equal to minus 7. So we can write this one 1 by x raised to 7. We know that. Reason what? You only learn a raised to minus n equal to 1 by n. 1 by a raised to n. Example, x raised to minus 4 equal to 1 by x raised to 4. Okay. Then next one is a raised to 0 equal to 1. P raised to 0, 1. X raised to 0, 1. Like that. Okay. Then AB whole raised to n. That is a raised to n, b raised to n. Example, x raised to 3, y 4, whole raised to 5. Okay, simple. But x raised to 3 into 5, 15. Y raised to 20. Then another case. A by b whole raised to 3. But a raised to 3, b raised to 3. Example, x square divided by y square whole cube. That is x raised to 6, 2 into 3, 6, y raised to 6. Okay. Then what? Nth root of a, that is a raised to 1 by a. Okay. If it is cube root of x, that is x raised to 1 by a. Is it okay now? Everyone? Okay, all? You copied? Everyone okay? Any doubts? Okay. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now, because this is using this only way today we are doing the questions. Everyone, okay? No doubt. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, I'll go. Okay. So it's okay. Last one doubt. Okay, last one is what? Nth root of a. The order is n. Now listen. We studied last one. Okay, I'll explain through. Listen here. Last one I'll explain here. You can hear me now, right? Clear sound today. Okay, I arrange additional mic. Okay, look, the nth root of nth root of a. This one is coming. The can write this one a raised to 1 by n. This is the answer. Even square, let's listen here. Square root of 2. We can write what 2 raised to 1 by 2 because 2 here. Cube root of 3. We can write 3 raised to 1 by 3. Fourth root of 10. We can write what 10 raised to 1 by 4 like that. I hope now clear, right? Now okay, clear all. Sath. Clear now? This is okay now, right? Okay, now we'll discuss in while doing the questions. Okay, look at here. So keep in mind all this one, right? You have to have this one. Okay. Now write the question. Question number 1. First 2, 3 questions I'll show here. 64 raised to 1 by 3. 64 raised to 1 by 3. Okay. If you are smart, you can find out which number multiplied 3 times will get 64. Manasi, this one. Look at here. Manasi is saying AB raised to n, right? That is a raised to n into b raised to n. Like x raised to 4, y raised to 3 whole square. That is x raised to 4 into 8, y raised to 3 into 6. Manasi, okay now? Okay, so now look at here our question. If you cannot find out, listen, if you are smart, we can find directly, or we can find out what 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Correct or no? Okay, listen, you can write 2 raised to 6 all raised to 1 by 3 like this. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6, 64 is 2 raised to 6. Then this one 2 raised to 6 into 1 by 3. Cancel 2. That is what? 2 square equal to 4. Okay. If you are smart, when you smart, 64 we can write directly 4 cube all raised to 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Answer is 4. Finish. If you're not smart, you can use this method. Are you okay? Clear or not? 2 cube, yeah. 3 and 2 square. Okay. Okay, then write your book. Okay. So next one. Next question. This is the basic of this chapter. Okay, 125 all raised to minus 1 by 3. No, 1 by 3. 125 all raised to 125 all raised to 1 by 3. 125 all raised to 1 by 3. Okay, wait, let's finish all. Ame, 2 answer 1 by 5. No. Dhruv, check the question. 125 all raised to 1 by 3. Here, this one, you know this one, 5 cube all raised to 1 by 3. Cancel 5. Anyone had doubt? Is it okay all? Okay. Is it okay now, right? Okay. Today's board is clear or no? The board, is it okay board? This is our third camera, okay? So I think this is the best one. This one or last class is better. Okay. So I have 3 cameras now. The best one, okay. So next one, same question. 125 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. 125 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Do it now. 125 whole raised to minus. Close your videos and all. If you even show, then I'll drop. Okay. So then you cannot join today's class. What happened, others? Your connection? Okay, finish now. Okay, look at here, this one. 125 raised to 1, this again 5 raised to minus 1 by 5 cube whole raised to minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 5 raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by 5. Okay, clear or not, right? It is 1 by 5. Okay. Okay, next question. All right. 27 raised to minus 2 by 3. 27 raised to minus 2 by 3. 27 raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay, try now. Okay, finish. Okay, look at here. Now, this one, look, 27 we can write 3 cube whole raised to minus 2 by 3. Cancel 3 raised to minus 2. That is 1 by 3 square equal to 1 by 9. Okay. So, we all got. So, look at here, the latecomers. Just listen. We already finished the rationalization. Okay. Now, exponents part. Okay, just for the latecomers, listen here. Look, listen on. The first part is we discuss a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. Okay, this is our first part. Okay, you're copying your notebook later. Okay, let comments later. You can copy. I'll send you the video. Okay, then example x raised to 10 into x raised to 3. We get x raised to 13. 10 plus 3. Then next one we learn a raised to m divided by a raised to n. We learn a raised to m minus n. Okay, this is the second part. Example y raised to 10 divided by y square is y raised to 10 minus 2 equal to y raised to 8. Okay. Then we learn ab raised to n, that is a raised to n, b raised to n. Example x raised to 4, y raised to 8 whole cube, that is x raised to 4 into 3, 12, y raised to 24, like that. Okay, let comments. Okay or not? Okay, then look, next one here, a by b whole raised to n, that is a raised to n divided by b raised to n. Example x raised to 10 divided by y raised to 5 whole square, what x raised to 20 divided by y raised to 10. Okay, then next one, a raised to minus n equal to 1 divided by a raised to n. This one we applied in this question. X raised to minus 3, what 1 by x cube. X raised to minus 8, we can write 1 by x raised to 8. Then what will it? Okay, a raised to 0, 1. X raised to 0, something raised to 0 is 1. Then what? Nth root of a. This is a new one. Nth root of a is a raised to 1 by n. Third, cube root of 10. We can write 10 raised to 1 by 3, like that. Now clear all, right? Okay. So, like that, we did 3 questions. Okay. No, third question. Third question I'll explain here. Look at here. Simplify 125 whole raised to minus 1 by 3. Mehabo, listen. Look, 125, 5 cube. If not getting, you can check that. 125, 5, 25, 5, 5. Because we did this all questions. Okay, so directly you can write 5 cube whole raised to minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. This is 5 raised to minus 1. This is not a final answer. So 1 by 1. Okay, clear now? Mehboob, clear? Is it okay or not? What is the name? Mehboob, right? Okay, Asma. Your name in the phone different. Asma, you now okay? You got? Is it okay now? Next question. This is the next question. After this one, I didn't do any questions. After this one, I didn't do. Then which one? 27, right? 27, right? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, look. 27 raised to minus 2 by 3. And we know that 27, we know 3 cube. Or we can find out 27. Now we are doing like this same, okay? 3, 9, 3, 3. 3 cube whole raised to minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel. That means what? 3 raised to minus 2. That is 1 by 3 square equal to 1 by 9. Now, okay? Okay, now clear now. Up to here, okay? Okay, so next question. 64 divided by 25. 64 divided by 20. 64 divided by 25 whole raised to minus 3 by 2. 64 raised to 64 divided by 25 whole raised to minus 3 by 2. Can you try? Okay, you try now. Okay, you can try. 64 divided by 25 whole raised to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so finished now, right? Okay, listen here. This one, 64 is, look here, this is 2 here, right? Or that method, it is 8 square, 8 by 25 square whole square. You can follow that? Okay, listen. Or we can find 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Okay, 25, 5, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6 divided by 5 square whole raised to minus 3 by 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6 whole raised to minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 square. Okay, so then you can get 2 raised to 6 into minus 3 by 2 divided by 5 square into minus 3 by 2. 2 raised to 6 into minus 3 by 2, 5 square into minus 3 by 2. This one cancelled here. That is 3. 2 raised to minus 9 divided by, this is cancelled here. Here it is 5 raised to minus 3. Okay. This one coming down, this is going up. Are you okay? This is going up, this is coming down. That is 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 9. What is that one? How much that? 125 divided by how much? 2 raised to 9, how much? You find out? 5, 12? Yes. 5, 12. 5, 12. Okay. If you, okay, copy. I'll show you another method. If you are smart, you can find directly. Okay. Yes. Arush, you can write that. Okay. No, in case you cannot prime factors, you do this one. Otherwise, directly look at here. Simple. 8 by 5 whole square whole raised to minus 3 by 2. Because you know that 64 is what? 8 square. Because this is 2 here. 25 is 5 square. So now this is I cancel. Then what? 8 raised to minus 3. It like this. 8 by 5 whole raised to minus 3 by 2. This is what? 5 by 8 whole raised to 3 by 2. We got the answer. Okay. Sorry, 2 will be cancelled. 5q divided by 8q. It's only answer. You can find this way. Okay. Which one you want? Which method? First one or second one? Which second one? Okay, up to you. You can select. Depends on your smartness. You can take it. Okay. Okay. First or second, you consider or not. First or second doesn't matter. Okay. That's up to you. You can select it. Okay. Whatever the color of the cow, no issue. Milk should be white. Okay. Okay. Next question. Next one, right? One 625 whole raised to minus 1 by 4. 625 whole raised to minus 1 by 4. Try now. 625 whole raised to minus 1 by 4. 625 whole raised to minus 1 by 4. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's finish all. Okay, so finish. Okay, I'll show this one. 625. If you are smart, 625, 5, 125, 5, 25, 5, 5. Almost how much here? That number will be here. Okay, 5 raised to 4, all raised to minus 1 by 4. Cancel this one. 5 raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. Is it okay? Clear now? Okay. Sean, you got? Okay. Nasreen, why you are on the video? Nasreen. Nasreen. Shan, what is the doubt? The first step here. This is the question. Okay. What is the name? Shan. This is our question. 625 raised to minus 1 by 4. 625 we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Factorization. Factorization what? 625 divided by 5. You check it. 625 divided by 5, how much? 125. 125 divided by 5, how much? 25. 25 divided by 5, 5. This is your doubt? Come on, this is your doubt? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 raised to 4, whole raised to minus 1 by 4. Because 4 cancel, 5 raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by 5. Okay. How come 5 square? How many 5? How many 5 here? That means you didn't learn the factorization our that class. Many question is there. This type of doubts you have to clear it at the earliest. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Here, how many 5 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. 5 raised to 4. 4 raised to minus 1 by 4. Okay. Now clear now? Okay, I cannot go through like that. It's like this part we one class full we discuss this part factorization and all. Okay. So next, the same chapter now almost 1 month now. Okay, next 256 divided by 81 whole raised to 5 by 4. Okay, do it now. Okay, finish. 256 divided by 80. Okay, 256. If you are smart, we can find. Look at here. 256. Okay, 2 128. 2 64. 2 32. 2 16. 2 8. 2 4 2. Okay. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 raised to 8 divided by 81. 3 27 3 9 3 3 3 raised to 4 all raised to 5 by 4. Okay, if you are smart, those who are smart directly you can write 4 raised to 4. Okay, if you are smart. Okay, yeah. Now look at here, 2 raised to 8 into 5 by 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 4. Okay, that one, this will cancel here. 2 raised to 10 divided by this cancel 3 raised to 5. Answer what? 1024. 1024 divided by 243. 1024 divided by 243. Okay, do it now. Anyone have doubt? Answer is 1024 divided by 243. Dhruv, finish? You want to copy? Why you want to copy? You can write yourself now. Okay. Okay, copy. You want to explain, Dhruv. Look at here. 256. Listen, those who are doubt. 256 divided by 81 all raised to 5 by 4. Okay. 256 we factorized, we got 8 2s there is 2 raised to 8. 81 we got 3 raised to 4 here, all raised to 5 by 4. As per the rule, a by b all raised to n is a raised to n divided by b raised to n. 2 raised to 8 into 5 by 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 4. 4 and 8 cancel, 2 here, 5 here, so 2 raised to 10. This 4 cancel, 3 raised to 5. Now, not giving the exponent form. Okay, maybe they won't give full mark. Okay, better do it full. Okay, let's see math. Okay, now clear now this one, right? Don't give a chance to cut the marks. Okay, so you can do it now. Clear now. So next one. Okay, Nia, you got? Anyone had doubt? Okay. Okay, let me start next question. Okay. So here, okay, we try this question. Cube root of x cube whole raised to 2 by 3. Okay, I'll write a bit bigger one. Look. Raised to 2 by 3. Okay, try now. X cube whole raised to 2 by 3. Okay, wait. Okay, look at here. This one, x cube whole raised to 2 by 3 whole raised to 1 by 2. Why? Here 2. No, this is cancel. 2 cancel. Answer what? X. Are you okay? Is it okay or not? Anyone doubt? Because these are all basic part. If you face problem, you'll be in trouble in next year. That's the thing. Okay. So this chapter is basic, one of the basic part. Okay. In 10th and higher classes, all will continue. Explain again, Dhruv. I didn't do anything here. See, x cube whole raised to x cube whole raised to 2 by 3. Here, it's the same thing I placed here. This root sign I removed at 1 by 2. Okay. At the same time, look, or I'll show you. Listen here. Don't change the root. X cube whole raised to into this is our question. Look, x raised to 3 into 2 by 3. This is coming like this. X raised to 3, then what? X square. Okay, root of x square. Root of x square is what? X. Finish. Root of x square is x. Clear now? Or you can write x square whole raised to 1 by 2. 2 cancel x. Dhruv, okay? We just cancel this 3 cancel. This 3 cancel. We got x square. Root of x square is x. Okay, next question. So once again, I'm telling you, anyone have doubt? Clear it, because this is the base of the chapter. Okay. Some other chapters, this will continue, just like a key. Just this chapter is like a key. Okay, you have a flat, but you miss the key, you cannot enter, like that only. Okay, so next one, 2 raised to 0 plus 7 raised to 0 divided by 5 raised to 0. Okay, find out. 2 raised to 0 plus 7 raised to 0 divided by 5 raised to 0. Okay, do it now. Okay, finish. Look at here, this one. 2 raised to 0 is 1. 5 raised to 7 raised to 0, 1. Here 1. 2 by 1 equal to 2. Because a raised to 0 is 1. I hope everyone got right. Okay. Okay, next one. Next question. Root of 3 raised to minus 2. Root of 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, try now. Okay. Look at here. This one, 3 raised to minus 2 whole raised to 1 by 2 because square root. 2 cancel. 3 raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by. Okay, anyone doubt? Anyone have doubt? Okay, everyone check it all. Okay, next question then. Look, next one. 16 raised to 1 by 4 into 4th root of 16. 16 raised to 1 by 4 into 4th root of 16. Sorry, 16 raised to minus 1 by 4. 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 into 4th root of 16. Okay. Not hurry. You take your time and finish it. Okay. Look at here. This one 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 into 16 raised to 1 by 4. Correct or no? So 16 raised to minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 adding. That is what 16 raised to 0 equal to what? 1. Okay. Or we can do another method. 2 raised to 4 like that we can do it. Okay. Answer is what? 1. You can do any other methods, no problem. Okay. Okay. It's clear now, right? Is it okay or not? Is it okay? See, we are going very slow. Okay. Is it because I know this is a basic level. Okay. So next question. $81 raised to 0.16 into 81 raised to 0.09. Okay. Try. Try this one. Which one to explain? The previous one? 64 one. Look at here. 64 raised to 1 by 4 into 4 minus 1 by 4, 4th root of 16. Okay. Who asked this one? Ashri. Okay. Listen. 64 raised to 1 by 4. We can write just 64 raised to minus 1 by 4 into 4th root of 64. 64 raised to 1 by 4. Minus 1. We can add same base. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. That is 64 raised to 0. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 0. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 0 equal to 1. Okay. So now try this one. I'll give the time. Okay. Let's start all. Okay. Don't type the answer now. Hello. Don't type the answer now. Okay. Later you can, because everyone knows the answer. Okay, anyway, just wait, Mahabub. Mahabub name is Asma. I told you last class, your name should be in the login. Okay, look at here. First of all, this one, same base we can add. 81 raised to 0.16, 0.16 plus 0.09. How much? 5, 2.25. Okay. Then 81 raised to 25 by 100. Right? 0.25 means 25 by 100. That is 81 raised to 1 by 4. Agree or not? 25 and okay. 81 is, we know that 3 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4. 4 cancel. Answer is 3. This is the answer. We all got. Okay. Okay. Those not getting, check this first. A star question. Okay. Another star question. Explain. Look at here. It is at which format? This first of all, this Mahabub, what is the name? You type your name. Okay. What is A raised to M into A raised to N? Tell me that. Asma. A raised to M into A raised to N is what? A raised to M into A raised to N. Okay, I'm waiting that. M plus N. Okay. 81 raised to 0.16 into 81 raised to 0.09. Same base. Okay. If the base is same, we can add. So I added 0.16, 0.09, 0.25. Right? 0.16 plus 0.09, we got 0.25. Okay. That one I wrote here. Then 0.25 we can write in the fraction form, 2 decimals, 25 by 100. Right? Like 0.5, 1 by 10, like that. 25 by 100 we can cancel, it is 1 by 4. 25 and 100 cancel 1 by 4. Okay. Then 81 is 3 raised to 4. We know that, we did already that. 3 to 3 to 3 raised to 4 into 1 by 4. This 4 and this 4 cancel, 3. What Ayush, what do you want? Okay, so next question, right? The newcomers today who came, they're okay or not? They're not responding. Ansel. Ansel, okay? Yes, you got or not? Ansel, you got? No problem. No, this one you got, no? Yeah, okay. You did a wonderful job. Around 2 weeks questions you did within 2 days. Now, still, I think one more exercise only balance for you. Okay, 8th homework that I'll send to you. Okay, very good job you did. Okay, because we started 28th to April 16th. You did within 2 days, and all correct also. Okay. Okay, well done, man. Okay, so now one more exercise that I'll send you today. Okay. Asma, your mobile battery low. What can I do? Okay. Okay. So next question, right? Try now. X raised to a minus b into x raised to b minus c into x raised to c minus a. Find. Question is x raised to a minus b into x raised to b minus c into x raised to c minus a. Okay, so here, look at here. This is same base, same base. That same base only we can do this one. Okay, x raised to a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus. Look, a cancel, b cancel, c cancel. X raised to 0 equal to 1. Who all got this one? Asma, you got? Okay. Are you okay now? Clear now? So next one. Okay, look at here. No doubt, right? Okay, next question. 625 whole raised to minus 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 1 by 4, then again square. 625 whole raised to minus 1 by 2, then again raised to minus 1 by 4, then whole square. Okay, try now. Today join Lokidash. Getting now? What is the name? Exact name? Lokidasha. What is the name? Respond. Lokidash. Getting now? Okay. Then Ansil, Lokidash. Then who all came today? Sendil. Who is it? Sendil. I don't know. Someone Sendil. Mohit. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't know the name. Okay. So are you getting now this one? Or okay. So look at here. This one. Come on. I can directly get that. Look. 625 all raised to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 into 2. Directly multiplication. Okay. These two cancel. 625 whole raised to minus into minus plus. So 1 by 4. Correct or not? Look, direct multiplication. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 into 2. Or direct multiplication. So these two cancel. Minus into minus 4, 1 by 4. You know that 625 is 5 raised to 4 raised to 1 by 4. Answer what? 5. So all got 5. Come on. Okay, this is getting clear it now. Okay. So next one. Anyone doubt? Okay, Asma, you got? Inaya, okay. I think 2 Inaya is there here. Findan and DPS also. Okay. Who is the Galfindan Inaya? Who is that? You didn't understand Sonali. Okay, if you don't getting that, speed up. Okay, look, this all look a raised to n, all raised to m what? N into m, right? Sonali, listen. A raised to n, whole raised to m means n into m. Just multiplication. Okay. So 625 raised to minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 into 2. Minus into minus plus. This two cancel. So 625 raised to 1 by 4. 625 is 5 raised to 4. You only learned that one. You only did that one. So this 4 and 4 cancel. Answer is what? 5 raised to 1 is 5. Is it okay now? Okay. So next question. $16 raised to 1 by 2 whole raised to 1 by 2. 16 raised to 1 by 2 whole raised to 1 by 2. 16 raised to 1 by 2 whole raised to 1 by 2. Same idea you can apply here. Okay, look, 16 raised to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 multiplication. So that is 16 raised to 1 by 4. And we know that 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 by 4. Cancel, answer is 2. Okay, Sonali, it's okay now, this one? Okay. Next question. Is it okay? Anyone doubt? Tell me now. Anyone doubt? I'm clear now. Okay. Sri Kumar and also, right? Okay. Okay, next question. (32) divided by 243 whole raised to minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Okay, try now. Okay, let us see. I'll wait. Here, 32. 32 is, I think, 2 raised to 5. This one, how much? It is 3 raised to 5. All raised to minus 4 by 5. I'll show this one. Look at here, 32. Just now we did this 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. 243. Don't write in your margin this one. So other side. 3, 81, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 5. So that means 2 by 3 raised to 5 into minus 4 by 5. Most of the question like that only. If it is 5, something we can cancel. 5 cancel here. So that is 2 by 3 raised to minus 4. This is what? 3 by 2 raised to 4. Correct or no? Look, a by b raised to minus n, we can write b by a raised to n, like that. Okay. Look, this also you write in your column. A by b raised to minus n equal to b by a raised to n in a box. Like this. A by b whole raised to n equal to b by a whole raised to n. So like that, we got here 2 by 3 raised to minus 4 by raised to 4 equal to 3 by 2 raised to 4. That is 3 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 4. Anyone want to explain again this one? Anyone want to explain? Come on, tell me now. Any doubt? Okay. Yes, 81 by 16, you are right. Okay. Once again, look. 32, we got 2 raised to 5. Here there is. 243, we can write 3 raised to 5. This is 5, this 5, so we can write 2 by 3 whole raised to 5 into minus 4 by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. We got 2 by 3 raised to minus 4. That is equal to 3 by 2 raised to 4. Reason what? A by b raised to minus n is b by a raised to a. Okay. So next one. Okay, Saad, did you get? Look at here. This is the question. Okay. Okay. If you want directly, I'm just Murray said 243 raised to 32 all raised to 4 by 5. You can write like this also because here minus 4 by 5 is reciprocals. 243 divided by 32 raised to 4 by 5. Okay. 243 we saw 3 raised to 5 divided by 32 2 raised to 5 all raised to 4 by 5. This one 3 raised to 5 into 4 by 5 divided by 2 raised to 5 into 4 by 5. Cancel, cancel. 3 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to. Now, okay? Saad. Saad, okay now? I change it more easy way, okay? Okay, next one. This one you try yourself, okay? This is a star question, another star question, okay? Exam point, important question, next one, okay? So you have to practice this all today itself. You work out in a paper, okay? Practice it. Because you cannot find out more question in reader, that's why. We are referring many books here. We have together with the mathematics, there is RD and S. Chand and there another Manjit Singh, okay, and your school one book there is Exemplar, and you can this is also a good book. This one is a good book, okay, and this one is a good book, okay, and this one is a good book. I'll show you another one. Okay, so but you don't want to buy all the books. I just showing the our reference books. The one, this one. You see no? Okay. Next one. This one. Okay. Next one. So this one. So this one. Okay. So this one. Then here. Okay. Other one. I think is. Okay. This is the main reference. This one. You should have this book. The main one. This one. Okay. This is our Bible. Okay. And Kelfinjil students they refer this one. Okay. It's another good book. Plus maybe say this one. You try to get if not going if someone comes from India now it's not easy. This one Oswald and RD main reference. Okay, so we refer these all books and read the notes. That's why this much questions. Okay, no chance to miss any type of question. Okay, okay. So here I very rarely only refer your reader. Okay, last moment we'll do the reader. One day we'll do the reader. Okay, last day. So of end of the chapter we'll do the reader. Okay, take the reader. I think you have reader, right? No. I hope everyone have reader, right? Okay. So no problem, Jayant, no reader, no problem. You go to net, you can find out. Okay, NCRT. Anyone have no reader? Just tell me. I'll send the picture. All pages I'll send you. No problem. Okay, I have the reader. You can go to the Google NCRT reader and download. No problem. Okay, then read the reader. Okay, you have to read your reader. That's why it is called what? Reader. Okay, because reader, the reader means you have read. That's the main part. But it is not enough. This chapter maybe you'll wonder many very less questions only. Within a day we can finish one chapter. Okay, so these are our reference books, but don't need to buy these all books. At least you buy R.D. Sharma. Okay, it's a good book. It's available. Maybe you can buy from your friends, your brothers, or okay. Okay, it is not compulsory. I do all the questions like this question will do. Okay, next question you try. 4 divided by 216 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 256 raised to minus 3 by 4. Okay, I forgot to tell you one thing. DPS, they use another book also. That is, maybe you know that. What is that? Example. This one. Okay, I don't have cover page. That's why. Okay, it is called NCRT Exemplar. I think you are using, right? DPS guys. Last year you used or DPS. Last year you used that book. NCRT Exemplar. Okay. Okay, your exams, many questions comes from that book. Okay, that is important thing. Okay, so these all we covering. We make the questions from these books only. Okay. Okay, now look at here. Try this one. 4 divided by 216 raised to minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 256 raised to minus 3 by 4. Okay, question not clear. I'll write again. Okay, 4 divided by 216 all raised to minus 2 by 3 minus 1 divided by 256 all raised to minus 3 by 4. Okay, now clear? Okay, answer forget about now. Okay, let me. Okay, wait. I'll show this one. Okay. Okay, look at here. First of all, should I try or still you want to time? Okay, look at here. First, I'm not doing directly. So look at here. 216 raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay. This one, which is 3, 4, right now? How much that? 6, 6. Okay. 6 cube whole raised to minus 2 by 3. Cancel. 6 raised to minus 2. That is 1 by 36. This part okay or not? Look, 216. Exam point, very important question. Okay. 216 raised to minus 2 by 3. 216 is 6 into 6 into 6. You know that. If not getting, go to the factorization and find out. 6 cube whole raised to minus 2 by 3. Don't by heart it. Okay. 6 raised to 3 raised to minus 2 by 3. 3, 3 cancel. 6 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 by 3 raised 1 by 36. Because 1 by 6 square is 36. This part okay. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Anyone have doubt? Tell me now. Don't say last after that. Okay. So second part, 256 raised to minus 3 by 4. We know that this is, we did already this one. 4 raised to 4 raised to minus 3 by 4. Cancel. 4 raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by 4 cube. 4 cube is what? 64. Okay. Now, come to the point. Here, look. The final case. This part, 4 divided by 1 by 36 plus minus, minus or plus? Minus or plus? I said minus or plus? Minus, right? Okay. Then, okay, 1 divided by 1 by 64. Okay, right? 36 is going up. 4 into 36 minus 64 going up. So how much? 4 into 36, how much? 144 minus 64 equal to 80. Anyone want to explain? No problem, I'll explain it. Okay, but tell me if you have doubt. I'll ask this question just and okay, this type of questions. Okay, I'll explain. Let's finish all. Look, question again. I'll explain here this question. Look. First of all, I'll take one by one. I don't want to take all together. Okay. I told you last class our test 3 parts. Don't do it together. One by one is better. Okay. So I took this part 216 whole raised to minus 2 by 3. We know that this is 6 raised to 3 whole raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay, this is cancelled. 6 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 by 6 square equal to 1 by 36. Are you okay? If you have doubt, ask me this. Okay. Okay, Dhruv, this is okay or not? This part only. Forget about last part. Hey, Dhruv, come on. Is it okay or not? Others, this part okay? Where is others? Okay, now second part here, right here. Okay, 256 raised to minus 3 by 4. That is 4 raised to 4 whole raised to minus 3 by 4. Cancel. 4 raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by 4 cube equal to 1 by 64. Second part okay. Second part okay now. Okay, now this one 4 divided by this part is 1 by 36 minus 1 divided by 1 by 64. Of course, 4 divided by 1 by 36 is going up. 4 into 36 minus 64. This is 144 minus 64 equal to 8. Okay. So I have clear now doubt. Okay, so similar one question. Try now. Is it okay now? So next, okay. So next one, 4 divided by 216 whole raised to minus 2 by 3. 4 divided by 216 whole raised to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 256 whole raised to minus 3 by 4 plus 2 divided by 243 whole raised to minus 1 by 5. Okay. Question again. 4 divided by 216 raised to minus 2 by 4. 1 divided by 256 raised to minus 3 by 4 plus 2 divided by 243 all raised to minus 1 by 5. This part okay now, right? Okay, try now this question. Now you are simplified. Those who are doubt, you can check the video. I have post. Okay, so you can check the video. Is Manasi, okay? Manasi is there now? Mansi, right? Okay. Okay. Others, what the multiplication? What you simplify this part? You simplify this, simplify this, simplify this, and solve it like previous question. Okay, I'll wait. You got 647. Okay, I don't know. Let us see. Let's finish all, then I'll show. You guys got 214. 214E. What is that one? On alphabet also got. From where this came? 370. Okay. Any answer? 206. No, no, sir. What the answer that? By mistake. Okay, okay. This Abhishek brother, who is that? Abhishek brother. Class 10 Abhishek brother, who is that? Arunesh? What is the name? Oh, it's you. Okay, okay. Arunesh, okay. What is the name? Arunesh. Arush, okay. And, okay, Abhishek Singh brother, okay. And class 10, last year studied Alicia's sister, who? Alicia's sister. What is the name? What is the name? Alicia's sister. Saman. Who's Saman? Saman is God or not? Okay. So next one. Okay, I'll show this one. Just not getting. Listen here. First of all, I don't like all together. Okay. So we'll go one by one. Okay. If you are smart, we can do all together. No problem. Okay. I'll do it like this. 216 raised to minus 2 by 3. Okay. This one. What is that one? 216. 3 times 1, 6, right? 6 into 6 into 6, right? Okay, no, 6. Are you sure or not? 6. 6 into 6 into yes, okay. 6 cube whole raised to minus 2 by 3. Cancel. 6 raised to minus 2 equal to 1 by 36. Okay. 256 raised to minus 3 by 4. Just now we discussed this one. 4 raised to 4 whole raised to minus 3 by 4. Cancel. 4 raised to minus 3. That is 1 by 64. The previous question this was. 243 raised to minus 1 by 5. Okay. This is 3 raised to 5. Correct or no? Maybe I'm wrong. 3 raised to 5 whole raised to minus 1 by 5. 5 cancel. 3 raised to minus 1 equal to 1 by 9. We're all got like this. Oh no, it's 3 only, right? Yeah, 1 by 3. Okay. So now we are going to conclude this one. Okay, anyone doubt? Anyone have doubt? Copy this one. 216 raised to minus 2 by 3 is 6 cube raised to minus 2 by 3. 3 cancel. 6 raised to minus 2, 1 by 30. 256 raised to minus 3 by 4. 4 cancel. 4 raised to minus 3, 1 by 64. 243 raised to minus 1 by 5. 3 raised to 5, 1 by 3. Is it okay now? Okay. Now we are going to conclude. Okay. Keep it this all. Okay. We want that one. Okay. 4 into 4 divided by 1 by 36. That is 4 into 36 plus 1 into 1 by 64 plus 2 into 3. So how much that? 144 plus 64 plus 6. How much that? Answer is 214. Answer is 214. Okay. Okay, do it now. Correct it. Those who made mistake, correct it. Denya, you got? What multiplication you asking? Others. Previous also you asked me this question. Why we will multiply? What is the? I didn't understand the question. Because 4 only there now. 4 divided by this one. 4 into 36. Okay. Here 1 into 1 divided by this one. So 1 into 64. Okay. See, look. I don't understand your question. Look at here. We figure out 4 divided by 1 by 36, right? Plus 1 divided by how much you got this one here? I wrap that one. It is how much? What was here? 64. Okay, 1 by 64 plus 2 divided by 1 by 3. Okay. Now, how 4 divided by 1 by 36? How will do it? 4 into 36 by 1, right? Plus, because we don't want to go that much low level now. Plus 1 divided by 1 by 64. That is 1 into 64 by 1. Others, okay, this is your doubt? Others? Yeah, now okay, no? Now clear or not? Okay, because we are dividing, look, we are dividing 2 divided by 1 by 3. So 2 into 3 by 1. Directly we are writing. For example, 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. We'll get what? 3 by 2 into 3 by 1. Like that. I hope now clear, right? Okay. Okay, so I thought directly I wrote. Okay, next question. Try this question. Okay. This is star question. 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 28 divided by 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 minus 2 raised to 29. Okay. Question again. 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 28 plus 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 minus 2 raised to 29. Okay, try now. First of all, I tell you, don't multiply 2 raised to 30, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 30 times. You never get it. If you start now tomorrow morning, you will get it. Okay, don't do that method. Any other easy method. Okay, I'll give 3 minutes. Okay. No. How we can? We cannot simplify like this also. Plus we cannot simplify. Okay. Any other options? 3 minutes you can think about. Okay. Let's see anyone get. Karan, wrong. Okay, 1 by 2, wrong. Anyway, I'll do this, but just try first. Question. 2 raised to 30 plus 2 raised to 29 plus 2 raised to 28 divided by 2 raised to 31 plus 2 raised to 30 minus 2 raised to 29. Okay, look at here. No, we cannot cancel. We cannot cancel plus because of plus here. No, we cannot cancel. Only single number like this 2 raised to 28 divided by 2 raised to 29, we can do something. But here, this is one term only. Like 1 plus 3 divided by 3. Can we cancel like this? 1 plus 3 divided by 3 can cancel? We cannot cancel. Okay, we can what? 4 by 3 only. Okay, so look at here now. Careful, listen here. Listen all. Don't write now. Okay, don't write. You're all answer wrong. Okay, listen here. Here 32 there is. Correct or no? It's wonderful. Okay, look here. Who is Amina? Okay, it's good. Listen here. Here 2 raised to 30, 2 there is 29 here, 28 here. So that means we can take 28 twos, we can take it outside here, right? 2 raised to 28 outside. Balance here how much? Because 28, if you write here 2 raised to 28, here also 28, here also 28. That 28 we take as a common. Balance here 2 square plus here 2 raised to 1. Here everything we taken outside 1. This part okay or not? This part clear or not? 28, 2 raised to 28, 2 raised to 29, 2 raised to 30. 2 raised to 28 is common for all the part. Okay. Listen, 2 raised to 28 here. That means how many 28 here? Sorry, how many 2? 28 2 there is. Here how many 2s? 29 2 there is. Here 32 there is. So we can take 28 2s outside. Right? Like suppose 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 into 2. We can take this all common here like this. Okay. Halima, okay. Once again, here, how many 28s here? Sorry, how many 2s there is? If you write here, 28 2 there is. Here 29 2s there is. Here 30 2s there is. So we can take 28 2s, we take it outside. 2 raised to 28. Okay, balance. See, when you open 2 raised to 28 into 2 square, 30 here, no change. 28 plus 1, 29. This multiplication here. Okay, then now here 29 outside, 2 raised to 29 outside. 2 square plus 2 raised to 1 minus 1. Are you okay or not? Is it clear? Anyone doubt? Tell me now. It is exactly, look at here. Suppose 5 into 5 into 5 plus 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 plus 5 into 5. Okay, here this is 5, this is 5 outside. 5 into 5 outside. Balance here 1 5. Here how many 5? 2 5s. Here nothing here, like that. Are you clear now? Once again, here 2 raised to 28 means 28 times 2 there is. Here 29 times 2 there is. 30 times 2 there is. So common everywhere we can take 28s. 2 raised to 28 we can take it outside. We cannot take it 2 raised to 29 because here 28 only. Okay. Similarly here 29 outside. Here 1. Here 2 balance there is. Okay. Then now look at here. Okay, I'm writing here 28 and 29 cancel 1 by 2, right? Because 28 29 minus 28 here, 1 by 2. Are you okay now? 29 minus 28. Okay. 2 square is 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 into 7 divided by 6, 5. So answer what? 7 by 10. Answer is 7 by 10. Halima. Okay. Halima is good. Okay. Only she got this answer. Who's Halima? Halima Saim. Okay. Last part explanation. Look. This part clear now. Okay. Last then. Okay. See. A raised to 10 divided by a square. We can write what? This is 1 by a raised to 10 coming here minus 8 like that. Or look, a square divided by a raised to 10. We can write 1 by a raised to 8. 10 minus 2. Okay. Or if you want, then listen here. If you want 2 raised to 28 minus 29. Okay, keep it like this. 2 raised to 28 divided by 2 raised to 29 means 2 raised to 28 by 29. 2 square 4 plus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 2 minus 1. Okay. Then 2 raised to 28 minus 1 or 2 raised to minus 1. 7 here. Here 5. Then 2 raised to minus 1 coming down into 7 by 5. That is 7 by 10. Okay now? 1 by 2 means what? I already explained here now. Follow this way. 2 raised to 28 minus 29. Then 2 raised to minus 1. That is coming down. Okay, this is enough today. So how many questions finished today? Hello, how many questions finished? Check your book. Total 19 questions. Okay, 20. Okay. Anyway, how much you did, that all you have to check. Okay. You have to study these questions. You work out in a separate paper. How we learn maths? First of all, you have to learn how to learn. Okay. You learn how to learn. So study this all. Don't just read it. Work out in a separate paper, rough paper. Okay. Because next class it is more tough question this time. Okay. Clear now? Okay, then today is better now. Your video and sound is all better, right? Okay then. Okay.